Today's daily dose of English is based on possessive pronouns. And here are the 10 questions. Based on these 10 questions, first of all, let me explain you about what is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession without repeating the noun. So, general usage, common possessive pronouns include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. These are the most common possessive pronouns that we are using in our daily life. So let us start with the first bit. This is not my bag. It's dash. That means here we need to replace the word which gives the meaning your bag. Right? So what will be the answer here? Yours is the answer. Okay. Coming to the second one. The decision is dash to make, not ours. That means someone else's decision or their decision. So what is the word that we are using to replace the word their decision? It is not our decision means what is the meaning there? It is not our decision and it is another person's decision. That in the sense, we need to replace a word which gives a similar meaning, their decision. That means the answer is theirs. What will be the sentence here? The decision is theirs to make, not ours. Okay. Coming to the third one, that house on the corner is dash. The house on the corner is dash. So here, we are getting the answer like her house. So we need to replace the pronoun and also the noun. House means noun itself, right? So we need to replace the noun repetition here in this bit. So what we can add here? We can add that the house on the corner is hers. Okay. And coming to the fourth one, these shoes are dash. You can't take them. So to whom we will say that you can't take them? If it is your shoes, right? So it is my shoes. These shoes are, sorry, these are my shoes. Okay, we need to replace my shoes. Okay, by using the word mine. So what will be the complete sentence? These shoes are mine. You can't take them. Okay, coming to the fifth one. This book is dash. We bought it together. We bought it together. We in the sense, there are more than one person. Am I right? So, this book is our book. Okay. So, what is the word that we need to replace the word, replace these words, our book. Our book means two words are here, our and book, right? So, we need to use only one word to replace these two words. That means, this book is ours. We bought it together. Okay. Coming to the sixth one, I can't find my phone. Is this dash? So according to the sentence, what we can understand, this phone is not belonging to me. That means it is not my phone. That means it will be your phone. So what we need to replace? We need to replace the word your phone with another word. Okay. So what is the exact possessive pronoun that we need to use here? Your phone is similar to yours. Okay. So the answer is yours. I can't find my phone. Is this yours? This is the question format. Okay. So coming to the seventh one, the dog wagged the tail happily. Wagged means moving fastly. Okay. So coming to here, the dog wagged dash tail happily. Here we can see its and its. Okay. What is the possessive pronoun here and what is the contraction of it is? So whenever, keep reminder, whenever we are using it is contraction word, we will use the apostrophe. Okay. So what will be the answer here? Its is the answer. Okay. Dog's tail. That means its tail. Okay. So we lost, coming to eighth one, we lost our tickets, but they still have dash. Their ticket. Okay. But they still have their ticket. But we don't have that option there. So we need to replace one single possessive pronoun instead of, sorry, we want to replace one single possessive pronoun with their ticket, right? So the answer will be theirs. And coming to the ninth one, the problem is dash. He has to solve it. Okay, it is his problem. His problem. That means whenever we are using a noun, his problem. Okay.